They got him.
The waterfall is yours.
No, off me. Off. Rude. Rude.
You've
Hey,
lost the
hey.
water.
Get off me. God. That bird is salt. GG. Ah. No, it's not. Ow! Yeah, it hurts. Yep. Yep. Cape by Vamp Runes, Cape by Vamp Runes. I love this song, by the way. There's a reason I use this in the Silverways video. Yep, get out of here. Take attack orders. John was above him. Range QQing over me, killing him. Is he? Wow, the salt. His pet name is more appropriate to him. Oh god. Yeah, that's not good. Back to Waterfall. I'm gonna assume you are you're in this game, John. Here we go. Ah. Welcome to stream, by the way. Yep. This is one of my favorite tracks by now, easily. I'm not hitting him. Well, may have downed him. There you are. That double stance proc was half intentional, half fat fingered. Nope, that's a waste. Oh, and 2K visits. Yeah, because weakness. I got you, Jen. Which one are you? Who are ya? You. You. Ow, rude. Yep, stuck. Shit. Here we go. Oh. Yeah, well, this is gonna suck. I'm gonna die. Yep. There it goes. Can't stop me, except I kinda can. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-doo. Bip-bip-bip-bip-bip. One down. Now for you. Oh, wait. Ah, shit. Yep. You. Yep. Break dodge. Yeah. That's pretty good. Managed to hold off a couple